This chapter is called Unemployment. In this chapter, look for the answers to how is unemployment measured, what is the natural rate of unemployment, why are there always some people that are unemployed, how is unemployment affected by unions and minimum wage laws, and what is the theory of efficiency wages, and how does it help to explain unemployment. The labor force stats are produced by the BLS, or the Bureau of Labor Statistics. They're based on a regular survey of 60,000 households. And they're based on an adult population, meaning people that are 16 years or older. The BLS divides population into three different groups: employed, paid employees, self-employed, and unpaid workers in a family business. Unemployed is people not working who have been looking for work for at least the previous 4 weeks. Not in the labor force would include everyone else. Labor force is those that are employed plus those that are unemployed, the total number of workers. The unemployment rate is the percentage of the labor force that is unemployed. So that's calculated as the number of unemployed people divided by the labor force times 100. The labor force participation rate is the percentage of the adult population that is in the labor force. And that is calculated by taking the labor force and dividing it by the adult population and multiplying by 100. Compute the labor force, the unemployment rate, the adult population, and the labor force participation rate using the following data.